Hello, this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please click that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos release. Also, I give away the demo card, so if you're a first-time subscriber, put your email in the comments and I'll email you back and let you know if you won the card. Also, make sure you watch the video all the way through, because you never know, I might give the card away to anyone, or I might be doing card kits or swaps or something. So anyway, now let's go make a card. Today's video is actually a blog hop. Yay! What a blog hop is if you go to the description of my video and bring it down where it says show more, there's a whole bunch of other ladies in my very big Stampin' Up! Demonstrator group that are also doing the same thing. And the theme today is masculine birthday cards. And we all need those, right? Don't we? So if you click on their little links, you'll go to their cards and get all kinds of ideas. Now, this happens to be mine. And I hope you can see that this is actually embossed in this really cool pattern here. So let's go ahead and get started. So on top of being a masculine birthday card, it's also a super easy birthday card too. So we're going to start out with real red, just the 5.5 by 4 1/4 cut. And let's go ahead and cut our paper first. The only colors we're going to be using is real red, basic black, and this silver foil. The silver foil is in the mini catalog. It's on page 23. It's right here. It's super pretty. So we're going to be cutting our basic black, and this is going to be 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So you're going to just get that whisper of red behind it. Then you're going to take out of the silver, the one with all the lines on it here, you're going to take that silver piece and you're going to cut it 4 by 5 1/4. And these will be our fronts. Now on the inside of the card, it's really simple. I made the sentiment simple, to the point, direct, block letters, real dude, you know, like masculine kind of thing. They don't want any swirly stuff or anything really embellished. And then I used cheers to you inside, and these are cool. So I used cheers to you from Whiskey Business, and the a happy birthday to you to handsomely suited, you know, direct, to the point, masculine, they don't care. There you go. So on the inside, the paper is going to be, so you're going to open up your red base, and the black is going to be 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. The real red is going to be 4 by 5 1/4. The black is going to be 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And the red is going to be 3 3/4 by 5. Now, all of these dimensions are also in the body of my video. So go to the descriptions, click see more, and all those measurements be right there. Also, all the supplies I'm using is on the bottom as well. And don't forget, you can win the demo card. I give away 2 demo cards. You have to subscribe and like and put in a little comment. Oh, I want to win the demo card. Put your email in. I'll email you back and let you know if you're the first 2 people that do it. So you got to like and subscribe, and then you have to give me your email. I can't talk to you without an email. So let's go ahead and get started on actually putting this together. So let's go ahead and start with the inside first. We're going to take that top red piece, and we are going to stamp the cheers to you, which is very dude. That's a big thing nowadays. It says cheers, you know, that's a very guy thing. So I thought that was perfect. And I'm going to ink this up in Memento and just put it right there in the middle. And we don't have to do anything else because this is going to a guy. They don't care. So that's the first step. Now we're going to take that black piece, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And just put that in the middle like so. Then get the next one, which is real red, and this is cut 4 by 5 1/4, and put that one just on top like so. Then take that basic black, which is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and the same thing, and then the piece that we stamped, and put that on top. And this is like kind of cool because it's, you know, looks like it's, you know, doing its thing, and it's interesting, and it's plain. It's a dude card. We don't want to make this fancy. So that's the inside. Let's go ahead and lay the black piece on top here real quick. And this is cut 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So you're going to just see that sliver of red popping through. So you think you're getting away with a really super easy card? Well, it's my card, so they always have some kind of twist. So I'm going to take Plenty of Patterns decorative mask, and I'm grabbing this one. And what I did is I embossed it on this foil. And let me tell you how I did it. So I happen to have a big shot. So my sandwich thing looks like this. I put it on the number 1 here, and then I grabbed the basic plate. Mine looks like it's been through hell and back. That's how I like it. Just nasty. It's a bottom plate. Who cares? And then I'm going to take my impressions pad. Now, if you don't have an impressions pad, Stampin' Up! Does sell these impressions mats, actually, some impression mat. And this is in the description in my video. Just go down there and you can pull everything up. You can even click on things and place orders. God forbid you place an order. Anyway, so go ahead and put down your impressions pad, then put down the foil, and then just center this however you like and run it through the machine. So I'm going to go do that, and you don't want to forget the top plate. Don't forget that. So you do have to put the top plate. So the bottom plate, the impression pad, the paper, the stencil, and the top pad. And now I'm going to run it all the way through. There you go. It's really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to snail this onto our black piece here, which is cool like that. Next, I'm going to grab my stitched rectangles, and I'm going to grab these two. It's the biggest and the second biggest of the one that looks like that. And I'm going to do one in basic black and the real red. And real red, I am going to stamp with Handsomely Suited. Why? Because they have a block, basic, happy birthday, real dude kind of sentiment. Because let's face it, they don't care, you know. So let's take the memento again, a nice black color, real dude-ish, and you stamp that up. And I'm just going to put this in the middle. I'm going to stick my head in the camera. You can look at my red hair there. Stick it in there good enough. And that's how we stamp that. Now we got to make this a little more interesting than just plain. I mean, you got to do something to it, right? So I went ahead and I dimensional both triangles with the black dimensionals. And like I said, that's in the description of my video. Just click down to it. You can see it. You can order it. And I'm just going to layer these on top of each other. And then you got to put a little bling, right? So I'm using the matte black dots and the red rhinestone basic jewels, and just, you know, gotta make it a little interesting and just put them where you want. But that's the card. So if you like the card and you want to win it, please subscribe and like and put in a comment that you want to win the demo card. If you're already a subscriber, that's okay too. If you've never won a demo card, go ahead and put in the description, hey, I've never won a card, I'm a subscriber, and like, of course, and put your email. You have to put your email in or I can't contact you. So, and you could win the card, and that'll do it. Don't forget, this is a blog hop. So go to my description, pull down the thing, and you'll see a bunch of ladies there, and click on their links and go see their masculine birthday cards, or masculine cards, and because everybody needs those. So anyway, that'll do it for me. Thanks, bye.